Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. And today I'm going to take an English first paper class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic is, let's see the board. This is the class for the students of class 6. Subject English first paper, topic lesson 6. I repeat again, our today's topic is lesson 6, term half yearly. Lecture, this is your lecture number 5. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 5 and this is your homework number 3. This is your homework number 3 and your homework will be exercise number A3. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number 01735 852285. Dear students, look at the board. There is a passage. Actually, at first you will have a passage, then we will have a dialogue. Lesson 6, it smells good. Read the passage and the dialogue below. It's Saturday. Amal's school is open, but Friday and Saturday are father's weekly holidays. Father sometimes loves to cook special dishes for everybody on Saturdays. It's 2 o'clock, time for Amal to come back from school. Mother is setting the table. Amal's two younger sisters are playing in the living room. The doorbell rings. Amal comes in. So at first we have learned that there is a schoolboy like you whose name is Amal, and his father is doing a job, but on Friday and Saturday he has holidays. So on Friday and Saturday father cooks delicious foods for Amal and his family. Now it's the time for Amal to come back from school, and now Amal enters his house. We will have a dialogue. Amal: hi mom, I'm back. Why is that? Mom, in the kitchen. Today is Saturday, remember? Amal: yes, right. Dad's cooking day. Hi dad, what are you cooking today? It smells good. Dad, it's morok pulao. Dear, your favorite dish. Amal: can I try some? Dad: no, you can't. You know the rule, don't you? Go and wash your hands first. Amal: please dad, I'm coming soon. Dad: okay, here is your dish. Amal: it tastes so delicious. So this is the conversation between Amal and his mom and dad. So the students, we have learned here in the last dialogue conversation that this is a lesson for all of you, that before taking any food you have to wash your hands properly. Okay, now we will have an exercise in number A3 and it will be given for your homework. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the words in the box. Look, there are 6 words, and likewise there are 6 sentences with blanks. You have to fill up the blanks with these 6 words. The first word is smell, then see, look, know, like, want. Now we will solve it. Before starting the solution for these blanks, I am giving you a formula or a structure. If the subject of a sentence is in third person singular number, then subject, if the subject is third person singular, then the verb takes S or ES. s or es with it, then the rest of the sentence, then there will be object or extension, anything. So the structure is subject. If the subject is third person singular number, then the verb takes s or es. That means you will add s or es with the verb, and then the other part of the sentence will sit. So why are you learning this structure? Because you have to change these words. The words that are given in the box you have to change sometimes if we find the subject as third person singular number. The first sentence is I dash him very well. So here we will use know. I know him very well. Okay. The new dress dash great. Here we will use the word look, but the new dress, there is a single dress. That means this is the subject, and we have said that if the subject is third person singular number, then we will use s or es with the verb. So we will write the new dress looks great. Number C, Rina dash to collect stamps. We will use the word want. But see again, Rina is third person and it is in singular number. So we have to use extra s with the verb. So we will write Rina wants to collect stamps. Number D, I can dash a butterfly near the flowers. Here the appropriate word is see. So I will write I can see a butterfly near the flowers. Number E, the flower dash sweet. Look, the flower is also indicates a singular flower, which is a singular noun, and we will put s or es with the verb. Here the flower, the appropriate word is smell, so we will write smells. So the answer is the flower smells sweet. Number F and last one, Murad. Murad is a person and Murad is also singular noun, so we will use here like and add extra s with like. So the answer is likes. Murad likes to buy a dictionary. So dear students, this A3, there are 6 fill in the blanks, and I have solved it for you. This will be your homework. So my dear students, I hope that all of you have understood today's lesson very well. This is a very beautiful lesson, and I have discussed some fill in the blanks for you. Exercise A3, it will be your homework for next Saturday. So keep practicing at home, attend the live classes regularly, and watch your YouTube classes. Submit your HW or homework copies on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.